Okay. Yeah, let's do technology. We won't do the social. Okay, let's go to number 2. See if I can add. Okay, let's do this one. In countries that have already achieved influence, any additional wealth would not make people happier. Do you agree or disagree? Now remember, your introduction is you are going to say the statement and then your opinion, okay? I can't hear you, sweetie. You need to unmute. Ngoc?
Yes.
Okay, start with your introduction.
Uh, Nowadays there are many countries that that have the
Remember, now look at the statement. Your introduction will be about the statement. Just 2 or 3 sentences about the statement. Then we're going to go into the actual we agree or disagree part.
nowadays there are a lot of countries that have achieved effective and also those countries have a economic development
Okay, introduction. Start with your introduction. I don't know what you are saying at all. Introduction. Remember, use the sentence. Only 2 or 3 sentences. In countries that have already achieved, it's not influence, it's affluence. I think it's a spelling mistake there. It should be affluence. But you must check that with your teacher. It's not influence, it should be affluence. Okay. So in countries that have already achieved affluence, any additional wealth would not make people happier. So any additional wealth, that means money, won't make people happier. Remember, in a developed country like America, more money won't make people happier. Do you agree or disagree?
Nowadays, there are many countries that have achieved a influence, and also their economic development and is have economic development. Some people.
What's economic development? Economic development?
Yes.
Okay.
Some people think that it can make people happier. In my opinion, I probably agree with this.
So you think that more money can make rich people more happy? Okay, why do you say that? Why do you agree with it?
I partly agree.
Okay, why? To begin with, why do you agree with it? What is the part that you agree with?
I think if people have money, they can buy almost everything they want.
But now remember, money cannot buy happiness. Money cannot buy friends. And money cannot buy a healthy body. So even if you have lots of money and you are sick, your money is not going to make you happy. So you have to argue that point as well. So you have to say that maybe it does make people happy to have more money and more materialistic things. However, on the one hand, or on the other hand, money cannot buy friends, happiness, or health. So if you are sick and you have lots of money, you're not going to be happy. So remember, if you are sick, you won't be happy or smile, even if you have lots of millions in your bank. And money usually brings problems. Lots of tax problems, lots of economic problems. Things can happen to you. If you win something, then they can steal your car, or they can break something from you, or they can hack your account because you are rich. So people want to come to your house and take your things. So all of that are things that you can say in this essay. It's actually a very nice one to do. Okay, so then you can also say money can be extended to buy resources for survival. So you can maybe donate money to the hospitals or to children, poverty, that don't have enough food. You can develop schools. So then that is a good idea to have more money in the country. So those things that I just mentioned, you can put in your body. And then in your conclusion, you can say, countries that have achieved affluence, additional wealth would make poor people happier, but the wealthy people will not be happier because they already have everything and lots of money. But the additional money in your country will definitely make poor people happy. Okay, we don't have enough time to type it now. I just gave you some ideas. So we will do this one next time when I see you, okay? Try, see if you can write something down and then I can help you next time. Okay, sweetie, you did a good job. Bye, Ngoc.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye, sweetie.